짜잔! 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
오늘은 뭐 할 거예요?
오늘은 우리가 인사에 대해서 배울 거예요. 자,
인사.
what is 인사?
Insa
음,
is greetings.
그렇죠?
So the greetings, hello, greetings, goodbye, paying respects to people,
음,
and generally the politeness.
그렇죠.
네.
Of course, 인사하다. It could cover a lot bigger meaning,
어.
but we're not gonna go too far.
Today
Yeah,
we're doing
the
the
simple thing.
hello and goodbye
음,
of the
그렇죠.
인사하다.
I really do believe, and I know it. If you want to be successful in Korea, you want to say 인사 very well. Very important.
잘 인사해야 돼요.
인사를 잘 해야 돼요.
인사를 잘 해야 해요.
그렇죠.
You have to do 인사 very
Very
well.
well.
네.
굉장히 중요하죠.
네.
Especially your boss, your 선생님, or your relatives, whoever older than you, you need to be very good at 인사.
네네.
네, that's the key of your success in Korea.
어.
Not only that, I really experience, even in America, if somebody come and say hi to me, before I say, I always want to give more point to the person.
Yeah, it's just
그렇죠?
good. It's just good manners, and it's a
그죠?
good first impression in general.
네,
Just
맞아요.
pay
그-
respect. Say hello.
그렇죠? 그래서 인사 equal 성공.
성공.
예, 성공에서 success.
어,
그렇죠?
네네네네.
그래서 한번 해볼까요? phrase. 예, 인사를 잘 하면 성공한다.
If you have good insa, you'll be successful.
그렇죠, 그거예요. People in Korea, we are really crazy about 인사. So if your children is not good at 인사 to the grown-ups, we feel very ashamed. We feel very shameful.
Reflects poorly on the parents.
그렇죠.
Mm-hmm.
We don't say to hi hello to the strangers. We don't say, but we must say the grown up that you know already. Then you must say. So let's just say that your neighbor comes to your house all the time. That kind of case, mom not gonna call from your room. Come out 인사하다. However, if your child is just watching TV in the living room, and then see that your neighbor coming, then that kind of case, you must to get up and say hi hello.
네,
네.
인사해야 돼요.
Yeah. And then if we don't see that kind of behavior, then we just we blame the parents a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's do very simple thing. Hi, hello. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Okay. If it's a friends to friends, same age. Friends means the same age in Korea. If you say friends to friends, we say 안녕.
안녕.
But here's the thing. When we're apart, how you say? 안녕히.
So this is the goodbye part.
그렇죠. This is confusing.
네.
자, you meet your kind of boss at the coffee shop. Then when you're apart, you can say 안녕히 가세요.
안녕히 가세요.
That's right. And then your boss can say to yourself 안녕히 가세요 too. To be formal.
네.
Or you can say 잘 가.
잘 가.
Or 잘 가요.
잘 가요.
Yeah.
Which is go well.
예, 그렇죠. 잘 가 is informal, but 잘 가요 is still what? Formal.
네, because you add the yo.
Yeah. However, I cannot say to my boss 잘 가요. 안 돼요.
네. So
거죠.
the 안녕히 가세요 is very formal, very
Yeah.
polite. So you're going to say that to your boss. Your boss can say 잘 가 or
잘
잘 가요.
가요.
가요 is still, like
Formal.
선생님 said, it's still formal, but it's
But I cannot say to my boss.
네, 네,
Or
네.
a lot older than me. I cannot.
네,
네,
the
할 수
boss
있죠.
saying to the employee 잘 가요, it's very polite, but it it's not like they
그렇죠.
have to be super respectful
Or
of you.
you can still say boss, still can say 안녕히 가세요. You can
네.
say. So I know just
There's no limit to how respectful you're allowed to be,
yeah.
but there is a limit to how disrespectful you're
그렇죠.
allowed to be.
Just we have a very different level of formal way
네.
to say or polite way to say whoever.
네.
So how about here? You came to my house, and then when you're leaving my house, I can say formally 안녕히 가세요.
안녕히 가세요.
Means 가다. 가세 means please go.
To
그죠?
go.
From the 가다, the basic form. But why are you gonna say it to me? You are going, but I'm here.
So in this case, you said to me 안녕히 가세요 because I'm leaving. 가세요, please leave.
Not really please leave. 아니고 안녕히 가세요. please go home safely.
네,
그거죠.
네, 네.
네.
It's not get out of here, but
예.
it's like, oh, you are leaving,
그렇죠.
you know.
네.
So you say 가세요. I say 안녕히 계세요.
그렇죠. 안녕히 계세요.
안녕히 계세요.
그렇죠.
Because you say 가세요 because I'm going.
예.
But I wouldn't say 가세요 to you because you're not going anywhere. You're staying here.
그렇죠. Or if you are a lot older than me, so you can say, 잘 있어.
잘 있어?
잘 있어요.
So just be well.
예, 그렇죠. Here, 있다 is what? Being there.
네.
예. And then 계시다 is what? Very formal way to say 있다.
Oh.
그렇죠.
Oh, so that's why 안녕히 계세요?
그렇죠.
I didn't know that.
No. You know that 계시다 and 있다 same meaning, but 계시다 is formal way to say 있다.
네.
It's just
So 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 계세요. Oh, wow.
그렇죠.
The
이해가죠?
more you know.
그렇죠?
네네네네.
그리고 if I'm older than you, a lot older than you, of course I can say 안녕히 가세요, but I can say what? 잘 가.
잘 가, which is same as before. It's like,
그렇죠. 잘 가요.
go well.
그렇죠. So 잘 가, 잘 가요. Also informally 잘 있어.
잘 있어?
와, 잘 있어요.
잘 있어요?
그렇게 하면 되죠.
네. Wow, there's a lot of ways to say goodbye.
그렇죠.
Luckily, the hello is just 안녕하세요. 아니면 안녕.
예, 그렇죠. When you say 안녕, 안녕 is very same age people. says.
네네네.
그렇죠. So, do you think that's enough today?
I think that's a great start.
That's right. When I keep talking about 안녕 story, and then in the series, or we're gonna talk about little bit more like the culture insa.
네.
culture about insa in Korea.
Stay tuned.
그렇죠.
감사합니다.
네, 잘하셨어요.
네.
짜잔. 감사합니다.
감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요.